Does it still have carrots on it from lunch? Well, I guess I won't have to clean that off then. You licked all the carrots off your chair? You gonna stand up, Petey? Why don't you show Grandma and Grandpa how you can stand up? No, I think I would rather go and play with the cat. He sees the kitty. And now he's going for her. Yeah, where is she? She's a smart kitty, Pedo. It's going to be really hard for you to catch her. She is a smart cookie. Yeah, look at you. And now he's going for his favorite toy. A shoe. Yes, thanks for the shoe. And that means we're going to turn off the video so I can rescue my shoe. Oh, nope, it's time for the apple. Shoe is boring. It doesn't make a jingly noise.